Hello guys, welcome to the 26th session of Create Custom Alexa skill using AWS Lambda function tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn how to use ElicitSlot Directive. Like Delegate Directive, the ElicitSlot Directive is used to create multi-turn conversation. If the user has not uttered a specific slot value, then this directive can be used to manually specify a prompt to elicit for particular slot. In delegate directive, we have set default value, but in elicit slot, we will prompt the user for slot value. Let us create a new intent for this. I will use skill console for that. Here we will obtain some details from the user and store it in DynamoDB later. To check all slot values which are uttered, we will use the elicit slot directive. Let us create a new intent with name add user preference. Here the user may say, my name is person name. I want to visit country name with count friends, or with all of those details. My name is person name and I want to visit country name with my count friends. Let us create slots for all those three. Click on Edit dialog link of person name. Person name will be the type of Amazon.person. Here we want to enable slot filling. Here we need to add some text that will be prompt when the user does not utter value. Let us write, tell me your name. And here we need to add sample utterances that user may say. Here user may say only person name only. I am person name. My name is person name. Click on add user preference. Now let us add a dialog for country name slot. Slot type will be Amazon.countryname. Enable slot filling. Let us use which country you want to visit in the prompt text. Here the user may say only country name or say I want to visit country name. Edit count slot dialog. We will use Amazon.number as slot type. Enable slot filling. Add with how many friends as a prompt message. Here the user may say only count or with count other. Save model and open JSON editor. Here is intent that we have created. It includes slots as well as sample utterances. Scroll down. Here the new dialog property has been added. For add user preference intent, for all of the slots, we have elicitation required true. In the elicitation prompt contains unique value for prompt. Scroll down to bottom. Here is one new property I added name prompts. Variation property contains all utterances that we have added in prompt box of slot filling. Let us build model. Let us switch to Visual Studio Code and update Lambda function. Let us create a handler for add user preference. Handle it on add user pref intent. Obtain intent from this. Also obtain all three slots from intent. And check for if person name slot does not contain a value. Then we need to use speak method and pass text that you want to use as a prompt. Use add elicit slot directive method and pass name for the slot for which you want to perform elicit. Here I am passing the name of person name slot. Create else. Let us copy this if statement and paste this. Now we will check for country names value. If not entered, then prompt with which country do you want to visit. Update slot name in this method. Again copy this if statement and modify this for count slot. And prompt for with how many friends. Update slot name in this method. If we have all those three slot values, then we will generate text that will return all of the slot values. First of all, we need to obtain all slot values. Create speech with message. Your name is person name. You want to visit country name with count other. And generate a response for that. Add this in request handler. Save the file and deploy only Lambda function. We have updated interaction model from the console, so we do not need to update it here. Alexa, open the third demo.
Welcome to third demo skill.
I want to visit Spain.
Tell me your name.
Victoria.
With how many friends?
With 2 friends.
Your name is Victoria. You want to visit Spain with 2 other.
Here we have added only country name and Alexa asked for person name as well as count. Now I am trying again. This time I will utter all of the slots. Alexa, open the third demo.
Welcome to third demo skill.
My name is Victoria and I want to visit France with my 5 friends.
Your name is Victoria. You want to visit France with 2 other.
Let us see what we have learned in this session. Illicit slot is used to obtain missing slots from the user. We need to use add illicit slot directive method of response builder. Here we need to pass slot name on which we want to perform elicit. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.